The fourth term of an arithmetic progression, AP, is 37, and the first term is negative 20. Find the common difference. A term in an arithmetic progression is given by un, and un is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the term whose value you want to find. Here the question tells us that the first term is negative 20. So it means that a is equal to negative 20. And it also says that the fourth term is 37. So it means that u4 is equal to 37. We can find u4 from the formula. From the formula, u4 will be equal to a plus n is now 4. So 4 minus 1 times d. 4 minus 1 is 3. So u4 will be equal to a plus 3d. We have u4 as 37 and the same u4 as a plus 3d. So we can equate them. When we do that, we are going to have a plus 3d is equal to 37. We have the value of a as negative 20, so we can substitute it here to get the value of d, which is the common difference. When we do that, we will have negative 20 plus 3d is equal to 37. I will send 20 over to the right hand side, and so our equation will now be 3d is equal to 37 plus 20. 37 plus 20 is 57, and so 3d is equal to 57. I'll divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 will cancel out, and so d will be equal to 57 divided by 3, which is 19. D is the common difference, so it means that the common difference of the arithmetic progression is 19.